Hello, hello. And this is Kimmi, guys, from Notary Life with Kimmi. Well, hey, guys, many of you have reached out and asked me, Kimmi, I don't know how to build my business. I've learned a little bit about notarizations. I know about the business, what it is, but I don't know how to build it. How do I build it step by step so I can be successful? All my pieces are not fitting. Well, guess what? I have a new course for you. Build your notary business. It's not that complicated. In the course, we will go over why it's important to have a business plan, how to get your commission if you have not as of yet, what type of training you need, how to pick your business name, business structure, what type of insurance, supplies, marketing, pricing, business checking account, marketing, everything you need to start and build your business brick by brick, just like you're building a home. And I understand that sometimes you need help with that. So that's why we have this new course. So check it out. All the information will be in the description box, okay? Much success. Bye.